Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, I'm going to give you a product overview of the Milwaukee M12 6-inch hatchet. Now, they call it a hatchet, but it's actually a mini little chainsaw. You see here the 6-inch blade. I'll cover it right here. This is a terrific little tool if you're doing any kind of trimming. It can cut up to 3-inch hardwood branches. You're not going to cut a tree down, but if you want to do trimming, it's going to cut those branches like butter. It uses the M12 battery on the back here, so this is versatile if you already have tools that are part of the M12 family. And it's a self-oiling machine, meaning that once you put the oil in here, it will oil the blade as you're using it. Now the trick here is that you place these little teeth against the branch that you're going to cut. You start the tool away from the branch and then cut it. With a nice sharp blade, you will be amazed at how versatile and how strong this little tool is. Any kind of trimming you need to do after a storm, or maybe there's some branches on big bushes or trees, this little tool will do the trick. Coming up next, another video from our friends at Milwaukee and another terrific tool.